It is officially week 7, day 1. We're over the halfway point for this program. It's going pretty well so far. So today, it's back day. Got 3 sets of 5 with 355, something like that. So hopefully this goes smoothly. I always say that, but you know, obviously I'm gonna always hope it goes smoothly. So let's do some deadlifts, and then I think I'm also gonna do chest day later today. I might even do it right after this, depending on how I'm feeling. So we'll see. Alrighty, it is week 7, day 2. Actually, this is the same exact day as the last clips. I'm doing this right after I just did the back workout, but I did take a little break because I didn't want to feel fatigued and make it affect my benching. I took yesterday off because I just was not feeling it. I was busy. I was doing a whole bunch of stuff last minute. Even this last week's video came out a little bit later. Normally I upload them on at least Sunday night, Monday morning for sure. And I ended up doing it Monday night. Basically, it was already Tuesday, it was past 12 o'clock, so I did not have time to work out. Well, that's just an excuse, I guess, but I just wasn't feeling it, so I just decided to do both of them today because I got to catch up. And just one more thing, I noticed, I looked back at my videos, and you can totally see this in the background, and it is not what it looks like. If you're thinking it looks like something else, it is a deep tissue massager. There you go. And it's for muscles. That's it, just muscles. So I'm gonna turn this so just, there's no questions about it or anything, because normally when I record it from way over here, it's right there, and you can totally see it. And it looks really, really weird, and you probably question that, but I've been rambling on. It's time to do this bench workout. I think I have 205 for 2 sets of 5. Last week I did 200 for sets of 5, and I think it was actually pretty easy, so this should be good. Maybe I might even I might even bump it up to 210 if I get, motivated enough. So anyway, let's get back into it. It's already been a 1minute and 47-second clip. I got 180 on the bar for incline bench. I mean, I noticed as the weeks keep going, it gets scarier and scarier because I'm lifting alone at the moment. And as I explained to somebody in one of the comments in the last video, not the one that just got uploaded, but the one before that, they were asking about the rack, and one of my complaints was that the rack, hold on, I can barely see. All right, there we go. Focus. Yeah, the rack right here, it's like 2.5, maybe 3 feet, but basically that does not fit back here far enough for me to bench inside of here doing incline, so I have to slide the bench out there. And so yeah, I have to basically do it without any safety, but luckily it's safer than actually using than actually doing regular bench, because I can just put it down on my waist right there and then I can stand up like I just deadlifted or whatever. So I mean, I probably won't die if I fail, but it would suck to fail because I'd have to stand up and then like there's barely any room to step off the front right there because that leg extension is on there. Oh yeah, and by the way, I don't recommend doing this without a spotter or any form of safety unless you know that you can handle the weight. Like if I was trying to max out, I definitely would not do this without a spotter or some sort of safety mechanism on the side. So I'm doing this because I know I can do it, and if I do fail, it's not a big deal because I can stand up with it. So that's just my advice. Don't do it if you're not comfortable with the weight. Week 7, day 3, we got squats today. I got 2 sets of 5 with 300. So, I don't know, hopefully that goes well. We'll see. Week 7, day 4, shoulder day, overhead press 135 for 5, 2 sets. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's pretty easy. Relative.